Key, what are you doing today?
Bacon.
What are you baking?
Flour.
What else you got in there? Flour, sugar,
Sugar. Egg.
and
Milk.
butter.
And
Are
butter.
you making cupcakes?
Yeah.
Where's your helper, Charlie?
Over
You
there.
gonna call him?
John! Not coming.
Charlie, what's the matter?
No.
He's grumpy. All right, what are you gonna do? Mix it all together then?
Mom,
Yeah.
it's mixing up.
Cool. Keep an eye on it. Charlie, come here. Are you checking?
Yeah.
Ooh. Okay, they're ready to go in. What are you doing there now? Do me a dance. Do me a dance while you're waiting. Keeve.
Which one? That one?
Which one?
That one?
You need to put ice in it for Charlie.
Welcome to our channel.
Are you gonna string them away, baby? Let me see decorating. Open it then, shake it. Charlie, you can have a cupcake.
What you got, Keeva?
Okay.
You make cupcakes. Let's have a look at them. Ooh, nice. Has Charlie had his?
Yeah.
Charlie's ate his cupcake.
Look at the other ones.
Whoa, we got some more.
Yeah.
Wow, look at all these. Why is there two missing? Are they your two?
Yeah.
Fatty. All right, go on then. Eat your cake then. Let's have a look, see if they taste nice. Go on then. How do you eat the cake? Do you lick it or do you bite it? You lick the cream off. Go on then. Eat the cake. Let's have a look. Take the wrapping off. Take a big bite. Is it nice?
One, two. Ooh. One, two, Mom. Can I want that?
It's not top end, I'm filming.
My hands.
Ooh, you like that? You like that? Nice.